Keyboarding, Lesson 30, Apply It Word Drills. Key the text as you see below. When you see this hook arrow, instead of just pressing Enter, which is this paragraph symbol, hold Shift and press Enter. And do it every time that you see the hook arrow, Shift, Enter. And what it's doing is it's tightening up so that each line is directly below the previous line. When you press Enter by itself, you have a gap between. So go ahead and key that as you see it, and then check your work. So to the entire document, select everything and choose Times New Roman. And we'll select the size 14 for the font. So we're going to select everything except the last line, and we'll center those. The font size for the last line should be decreased to 11. To the last line, select line spacing 3.0. We'll change this, the layout of the page to landscape, so Layout tab, Orientation, so instead of Portrait, select Landscape. Center the page vertically. We're already in the Layout tab. The Page Setup Dialog Box Launcher, the Layout tab, Vertical Alignment, Center, and OK. Start in the document, press Enter 3 times, and you'll key what you see here below. And after weekly report, it's just a regular hard return. When you're typing the very first paragraph, again, use word wraparound. It will not, your text will not show the same way that it ends here. Do not press Enter after his. Use word wraparound. The very first enter would be here after athletes, and then continue the same thing. Press Enter after begins, and then check your work. Select the title, and we're going to change the font's type, Verdana. For the title, change the font size to 16. And we'll also select bold. Center the title in the paragraph group. And we're going to use the Format Painter to select the title and copy it to the date. So Format Painter, and then with the paintbrush attached, select the date. So we're going to cut with reporters, and then choose Cut. And we'll put it after the word spoke. And it should be a regular paste. So the first paragraph, I'm going to select it, and then for the font type, we'll select Verdana. With again, with the first paragraph, we're going to select the size 12. Justify the paragraph. Just click Justify or Control J. And the formatting, you can see that the formatting is different from the first paragraph compared to the second and third. So we want to paint it to the other two. So triple click in here to select it all. Double click the Format Painter. I'm going to try it with a one click and paint. Oh, I better not. Format Painter, double click, then select the first paragraph, let go, and then select the second and let go. And you're done.